I hope you're having the best day of your life. This video will explain how to sell your marketing skills to local business owners in your area. And even if you don't have those skills, keep watching because I will explain later in this video how to make it work, even if you're just a beginner. By the way, this video will also answer all 6 of these questions about what, where, how, when, why, and who should be selling marketing to local businesses. Also, I'm making all my videos for my past self because I was very frustrated and lost in the make money online space until I started selling marketing to local businesses. And I wish I had this content that I'm making when I was starting out. And, if you find it helpful too, great. I'm happy I could help. Personal opinion here, after trying so many things and seeing this one work incredibly for me. But I think selling a digital marketing to local businesses in your area is one of the easiest and fastest way to grow your income. But the question is how to get those owners excited about hiring us, working with us to help them grow their business. Because so many business owners are getting spammed regularly from people like us selling them all kinds of services. They are seeing several per day, if not more. They already feel overwhelmed and, like this guy, they feel like this world is full of scammers. But those same business owners know that every single person who walks into their store has a phone in their hand, and that very phone was responsible for bringing them into the store. So how do we make local businesses realize that we can help them, for example, rank higher on Google, improve their Google reviews, get more leads through social media ads, bring more traffic to their website, increase their brand awareness through social media, and so many other marketing services that we can offer, but ultimately make them more money with our marketing services. The real trick is not to approach them trying to sell something. The real trick is to prove to the business owner, first and foremost, that we can help them. We are their friends. This quote I specifically like from Alex Hormozi. He says, free trials, free audits, free samples, whatever gets them in the door, do it. Then deliver so much value, they beg to pay you. So it's good to start with a foot in the door offer, ultimately working towards that $1,500 per month or $2,500 per month marketing package. But first, we don't want to overwhelm them with content marketing, CRM, SEO, or meta ads just yet, because it will confuse them. We just want to help them with one single thing first. Here's some good examples of foot in the door offers: AI built websites, social media content that you can template and use for multiple clients, Google reviews filter, where I'm gonna actually show you an example where we filter out positive reviews for Google from negative reviews that stay internally in the company. Then Google reviews campaign, where we get a customer list from the past couple of years, and then we send them emails and text messages asking for a review, sending them to that review filter, and in a short time span of under a week, we can generate around 50 reviews, maybe more, impressing those business owners. Database reactivation, where we again get those lists of actually not past customers, but past leads. And then we also send them emails and text messages, offering maybe a special promotion for just that campaign and booking appointments. Missed call text back campaign, where if someone calls a business and the business owner doesn't have time to pick up the call, then automated text messages are being sent out to that phone number, asking them what they are looking for and maybe booking an appointment. So that way we're not missing out potential clients, potential profits. Marketing audit report, that's when we analyze their website, their existing marketing efforts, campaigns, and compare that to their competitors and give them that detailed report pointing out something that they can improve. One free video ad. I like working with local businesses. That's how you can come in, shoot a video. You can also template that script. You come in there prepared with your equipment. Honestly, you just need a phone, and then you record an owner himself or herself or one of the staff members, and that can be used for advertising purposes. Free lead magnet, that can be again repurposed, templated ebook, checklist, or guide, even maybe some sales scripts for their sales team and stuff that you can also provide for free just to gain their trust. Again, these ones are super low risk and high value services that you can give away for free, and others are charging money for it. So local business owners immediately see you deliver results. That way, when you recommend bigger packages later on, they already trust you. For example, Google reviews filter. We would ask them this question: how would your business be doing if you had extra 100 calls per month thanks to the improved Google rating? And the business owners would immediately get that aha moment. They now understand that their reviews would result in calls that would result in leads, which would result in more money. Because Honestly, that's all business owners actually care about. Yes, they want to provide a great service in their community, but they can do charity or volunteer work, but they ultimately need to generate profit in their business, and they need to see that we can help them achieve that goal. Here's the Google reviews filter that I'm talking about. It's optimized for mobile, so just don't mind that. Okay, so that's how it would look. And if happy customers click on those two icons, they are brought to the second page where they can click this button and leave a review on Google. And if they had negative experience with the business, then they would submit this little form over here and it would stay in the company internally. And that's how we filter out positive reviews from negative reviews. By the way, if you want this Google reviews filter for free, I have a reputation management snapshot with a bunch of smart automations, including reputation management campaign, which generates 50 reviews in a week. Everything in this Word document, including door-to-door sales scripts, cold calling sales scripts, and also some Facebook niche group post scripts that I personally use, and you can get all of it for free. You just need to subscribe and leave a comment, and I will reply back to your comment with a private link to this document. Moving on, here's a nice sales model that was introduced in 1898. It's called Awareness, Interest, Desire, Action, AIDA, and that's how it would look for our sales process. We would first take 5 minutes of online research about the business that we are about to approach. Then we talk to them in person, door to door, over the phone, cold calling, social media, DMs, email or video calls, like you schedule a Zoom call with them or you send a Loom recording through email or social media. And then you address their marketing problems. Ideally just one, so that you can solve that one problem to gain their trust and then upsell them for more higher value packages. So then interest, offer something free, again, that others charge money for to solve their problem. Go above and beyond to deliver on your promise. And because you have done such an amazing job so far and you solved one of their problems, now you are the default person in their mind to solve their other problems. After, you can offer your higher value packages. And again, everything is in this Word document of how to upsell them and how to manage those conversations. Okay, and what if you don't have a sellable skill? Then don't worry, you can do what's called subcontracting. You can be the middleman between your clients and people you find on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook groups to do the job for you. In this Word document, there's also a subcontracting script of how you can structure your Facebook group posts, of what you have to write in those posts. Okay, and that's how you build a digital agency today for very little money out of pocket and quickly get to that $10,000 per month benchmark. Whether you are doing all the work with just 4 clients by yourself, charging them $25 a month, or you get 10 clients, charge them $25, and then subcontract the work to the workers and pay them from $500 to $1,500 per month, and then keep the difference, which also makes up to $10,000 and upwards. For example, my niche is dealerships, and this is what I do. I go to Google Maps and I start investigating dealerships one by one. I check their reviews, I check their website, if they have a pixel installed on their website, if they have any chat widgets on their website, what are they doing with their social media, are they running any ads, and if they do, are they high quality or just regular ads that do not convert anything? So let's, for example, go to Google Maps right now and then type dealerships. For example, this Naya Motors, even though their average star rating is 4.8, which is decent, they only have 166 reviews. So right there, we can help them with the reviews campaign where we get them 15 reviews in under a week. Let's check their website. Okay, website looks decent, but can be compared to competitors because I've seen so many, and this one is mediocre. They don't have a chat widget, and it doesn't look like they have a Facebook pixel installed on their website, so they don't do retargeting. Let's check their social media, Facebook and Instagram. Their Instagram, only 234 followers. They don't know what they're doing. They don't have daily stories, as I can see here, and the last post was made 3 days ago. So they're not consistent and they don't have daily stories. That right there, we can offer $1,000 per month social media package. Let's check their Facebook. 658 followers, decent, but again, not enough. Old posts, let's check if they're running any ads. It's not currently running ads. Okay, no retargeting, no pixel on the website, no running social media ads. We can right there solve that problem for them. And what I would do is I would call them and ask to talk to a general manager Or I would just go door to door, walk in, asking for a general manager and bringing that to his attention, promising that I can make more money for them by solving one problem at a time, which I would start with probably just Google reviews. Okay, I hope you found this video valuable. Make sure to be subscribed for more future videos like this. And again, subscribe and leave a comment to get a private link to this Word document with subcontracting scripts, with door-to-door sales scripts, cold calling sales scripts, and Facebook niche group post scripts. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.